Hi everyone, my name is Mary and today we're going to be making lemony pepper hummus. This is one of my favorite recipes. You can pair it with vegetables, some healthy crackers, pretzels, pita crisps, and I'm really excited to show you guys how to make it. And there you have it, the finished product. You can either serve it in a nice bowl, or we're gonna actually put it in a little glass Tupperware and keep it in the kitchen to be used throughout the week and to be snacked on. Thank you guys so much for watching this cooking video with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do. Thanks!